Welcome to the video series about the integration of SINAMICS G220 converter into the SIMATIC Process Device Manager. My name is Simona, and in this part we are going to have a look at one of the interesting features of the SINAMICS G220 FDI Device Package Basic Quick Setup. Each time you install or replace the old motor in the machine or technology with a new type, you must enter the correct motor data and operation limits into the frequency converter before the start of operation. To do it conveniently, use the Quick Setup option that can be found under Device menu in Device Setup. First, you need to ensure and confirm that the drive's parameters are not being edited from any other engineering or commissioning tool such as web server or start drive until Quick Setup is finished to avoid any malfunction caused by multiple online access. Next, you can choose if you want to proceed with keeping current drive settings or to perform drive parameters factory reset first. Factory reset is recommended in the following situations. You do not know the existing drive settings, the supply voltage got interrupted during device setup, or you do not know whether the drive was already operational. In our example, we keep current setting. In the Quick Setup window, you have the overview and possibility to check drive information comprising of its type, article number, actual software version, and rated data. Also, the motor type is displayed here. If everything fits, you can click on Motor button to proceed with motor setup. In the first step, it is important to enter correct nominal grid voltage into device supply voltage field. Then, select motor standard and intended direction of rotation. You can select motor type from drop-down menu, followed by entering motor code for easiest setup, if you know it, or proceed with entering motor data manually as shown in this example. In the next step, you need to define the motor connection configuration. For delta, you can optionally select 87 Hz operation. Now, enter motor rating data for the given motor connection configuration, type of motor cooling, and motor temperature sensor. Double-check and confirm the values and proceed with setup of limits. Besides the minimum and maximum operating speed limits, check and adjust the ramp for acceleration, deceleration, and quick stop. If necessary, adjust motor current limit. Finish the quick setup. Once confirmed, all entered data are retentively saved in the frequency converter. On the next ON command, the stationary motor identification test will be automatically performed to ensure optimum drive performance. After this, the drive is ready for operation with connected motor. Thank you very much for your attention and see you in the next video. Bye bye.